respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in India celebrated in the first week of July. This movement was initiated in the year 1950 by India's Union Minister of Agriculture, Kulapati Dr. K.M. Manish. This festival gained immense national importance, and every year millions of saplings are planted all across India in the observation of Van Mahotsav week. It is expected that every citizen of India has to plant a sapling in the Van Mahotsav week. In India, it was started as a crusade to save Mother Earth. It helped spread awareness among the people about the harm caused by cutting down of trees. The name Van Mahotsava means the festival of trees. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Sikarwar of class 5th B, Mount Carmel Convent School. Good morning, respected sisters, teachers and all my dear companions. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Van Mahotsav. It is an annual tree planting festival which is celebrated in India every year. It is celebrated in the first week of July, that is from 1st July to 7th of July. It was started on 24th August 1950 by Dr. K.M. Munishi, the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food, to spread awareness among people. Van Mahotsav is also known as Festival of Trees and Festival of Lives. Thousands of saplings are planted across India by people during this week of the year. Trees are most precious gift given to mankind, and it is our duty to protect it. But man is destroying it for its own selfish needs and ends. He is cutting down the trees, and we are steadily moving through the path of destruction. So we should plant as more trees as possible and cut as less trees as possible.
Good evening, ma'am. Myself Katyani Shukla from 5th B. Today I am going to tell a slogan about a saving tree. One tree can make million matches, and one match can be destroyed million trees. Save tree, save the homes of the animals. Save tree to combat climate change. Save tree, save the earth. Thank you.
A tree. Plant a tree so that next generation can get air for free. Don't make plants rare. Keep them with care. Plants gives us food and oxygen. They help in reducing the speed of flood and make the soil fertile. During the summer season, trees become boon for all living beings and provide shade. Thank you, plants. Thank you, environment.
Let's plant a tree on this World Plantation Week and take care of each and every plant like a child. Plant a tree and get an oxygen for free.
Morning teacher and my sister. My name is Ayushi Yadav. I am from class 6th. Today I will say essay on tree plantation. Tree plantation is the one of the best activity for the making plant greener, livelier and healthier. Planted tree help our biodiversity and ensure supply of the oxygen. So we should plant more and more tree. Thank you.
We want to put in the basket. We want to give some water also.
Hello, I am Gaurav Singh from class 5th A. Today we can grow a plant. First we can take a plant, see, and second we can take this thing, and third we can take this and in a when we can do this we can put here and we can do or and we can take plant and put in that hole, and fourth this, and we do like this. And we can do like this, and plant was ready.
To all respected sisters and teachers, we all are gathered today to celebrate this occasion of Van Maha Utsav. So today I am going to planting a tree and sing a poem about a tree. The poem is, come on children, plant a tree, spread greeny everywhere, spread greeny everywhere, spread greeny everywhere. They are called the gold green, they are called the gold green. And they gives us air clean, they gives us air clean, and they gives us oxygen, and they gives us oxygen, and two fruits too, and fruits too. Now I'm going to planting a tree. My plant is ready. Now I will spray some water. Thank you.
EBO has received 51 plant appliance for invention, and he's on the neem tree and has so far granted 11 chance 19 plants, excluding the tree from being granted.
Morning, teacher and sister. My name is Ayushi Yadav. I am from class 6A. Today I will plant my tree. My plant name is marigold. So let's plant. So let's give him some water.
And from now I will plant the palm ki bed. Now first I put some. Now I will clear the wrapper of the plant.
बस हाथ से लिखा हुआ, बस एक कॉलम बना देना, मेरे को नंबर लिखा बनाए लो, बैठ के बनाए लो। कल अपरहान चाहिए रवान भी रखने वाले।
You all can see I have cleared the wrapper of this plant.
बस चाहिए।
Now I will put some more soil on it.
बनाओ। अबे तो हम यार बैठे हैं।
Put in the soil in it. I will put some more soil.
क्या पंजाब की राजनीति में गेम चेंजर साबित हो? कांग्रेस और अकाली दल से लेकर बीजेपी।
Now you can see this completed. Now we will put some water.
Miss Yashika Kamrakar from class 6th. My topic is plantation. पेड़ से हमें हवा मिलती है, छाया मिलती है और फल फूल भी मिलते हैं. Thank you.
Show you plants I am starting. That plants are giving very oxygen in large quantity. They are giving large oxygen in quantities for our health and body. The oxygen is keep their plants is very useful for oxygen.
Hey everyone, my name is Aviv Pandya and I come from class 6th. Today I am going to say a speech on plants. Earth, 70% of land, animals and plants especially live on the belong of forest. According to researchers, more than 25,000 creatures live on trees. Trees are air purifier because they absorb polluted gas and gives us out the gas that we can breathe in, like oxygen. Soil erosion, flooding, desertification, and the rise of greenhouse gases are some of the problems caused by deforestation other than climate change. Noise and air pollution are controlled by trees. Fine particles present in the air are trapped by trees in their leaves and bark, making the air we breathe cleaner. It is a wise idea to own slow plants in our house. Most industries like paper, rubber, medicine, etc.
My name is Adar Khatare. I am from 6th A. ईश्वर ने दिया वरदान है, वातावरण हमारी शान है, मत काटो इनको, यही तो हमारी जान है. थैंक यू.